Welcome to the Willow Creek Farmhouse, where modern farmhouse charm meets Scandinavian-inspired coziness, all designed with an eye toward nature and sustainability. Today, we'll take you through each carefully crafted room in this peaceful retreat. As we step into the entryway, you're greeted by a warm, sunlit space lined with reclaimed wood, salvaged from an old barn nearby. This wood not only brings history into the home, but also fills the room with a rich, rustic texture. A custom-built raw wood bench invites guests to take a seat, remove their shoes, and feel at ease from the moment they arrive. Beneath our feet, a woven wool rug adds a touch of Scandinavian warmth, blending nature and simplicity for an inviting welcome. Moving into the heart of the home, we enter the open living room, a space designed for both comfort and gathering. The floating wood-burning fireplace, encased in matte black steel, serves as the focal point, merging contemporary style with earthy charm. Surrounding the fireplace are custom-built bookshelves filled with nature guides, pottery, and lush greenery, all chosen to bring life and personality to the room. Here, large floor-to-ceiling windows frame the surrounding forest, making the outdoors feel like a natural extension of the room itself. On a quiet evening, you can relax here, feeling truly connected to the peaceful woods beyond. If you're enjoying the tour so far, don't forget to like and subscribe to Visionary Designs for more home tours and design inspiration. As we continue, we step into the kitchen, a perfect blend of rustic and sustainable design. Earthy green cabinets create a soft, natural contrast to the warm butcher block countertops, bringing a grounded feeling to the space. At the center, a classic farmhouse sink looks out to the garden, offering a relaxing view as you wash fresh vegetables or enjoy a morning coffee. Open shelving showcases handmade pottery, dried herbs, and potted plants, giving the kitchen an organic, welcoming feel. Every material in this kitchen, from the locally sourced wood to the eco-friendly stone, speaks to a commitment to sustainability and mindful design. Right next to the kitchen, the dining nook offers a more intimate, cozy atmosphere. Along one wall, a vibrant herb garden grows rosemary, basil, and thyme, infusing the air with a fresh, earthy aroma. This herb wall not only adds functionality, but creates a touch of biophilic design, bringing greenery indoors. The dining table, a striking live-edge wood slab, is paired with Scandinavian-style chairs, each draped with a soft wool throw, inviting you to settle in and enjoy a warm meal or lively conversation. In this space, every detail is meant to connect with nature while offering a simple, timeless design. Next, we move into the master bedroom, a sanctuary designed with tranquility in mind. The low platform bed, set with soft, organic linen bedding, reflects minimalist Scandinavian design, emphasizing comfort without excess. The walls are painted in a gentle, neutral tone, allowing the view through large windows to take center stage. Here, you can wake up each morning to the sight of trees swaying gently in the breeze. To add an organic touch, a cozy wool rug sits beside the bed, and various potted plants bring a bit of the outdoors inside. This bedroom is a peaceful haven where natural light and soothing textures create a restful environment. The bathroom offers a perfect escape, a rustic spa-like experience within the comfort of home. Stone tiles line the spacious walk-in shower, where a rainfall showerhead brings the feeling of a natural waterfall. To one side, a freestanding tub is positioned next to a large open window that faces the secluded forest, allowing for a bath that feels truly connected with nature. Wooden shelves hold thick, plush towels, candles, and a few potted plants, enhancing the relaxing atmosphere with a natural touch. Here, the blend of rustic materials and modern fixtures creates a calming, luxurious retreat. Finally, we step outside onto the covered patio, a true extension of the home's living space. In the center of the patio stands a reclaimed stone fireplace, creating an inviting spot to gather on cool evenings. Comfortable wicker seating is arranged around the fireplace, each chair layered with soft throws for added warmth. Lanterns cast a gentle glow, enhancing the cozy, intimate ambiance. This space looks out over a garden planted with native wildflowers and tall grasses, designed to blend seamlessly with the forest beyond. The patio provides an ideal setting for stargazing, quiet reflection, or sharing a meal with loved ones, fully immersed in the sights and sounds of nature. The Willow Creek Farmhouse is more than just a residence. It's a carefully crafted lifestyle where each space is designed to bring comfort, tranquility, and a sense of connection to the natural world. Every room tells a story, and each choice reflects the harmony between simplicity and functionality. Whether you're indoors, enjoying the thoughtfully curated decor, or outside soaking in the beauty of the landscape, this home invites you to slow down, breathe, and appreciate the beauty of sustainable, nature-inspired living. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Willow Creek Farmhouse. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like and subscribe to Visionary Designs for more unique homes and inspiring design journeys.